Hi, superstars. Today we'll be talking about if your bank account is screaming red, that is, if you're broke and you're thinking of what to do to make money. Alright, so in this video, I'll be telling you what you can do to make money if your bank account is red or is screaming help, help, help. Okay, and you're thinking of how to survive. Alright, so sit back. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do. You know what? Over time, lots of people keep talking about businesses you can do to make money. Okay, they tend to mention lots and lots of businesses, but you know what? Businesses take time to grow in order to yield profits that can sustain you as a business owner, and the business keeps functioning. Okay, so every business doesn't start paying a business owner immediately. It takes time to grow a business, and with time it now be able to pay you and sustain you while the business keeps running. So rather than talk about how to start a business when you are broke as a beginner, let's talk about how you can make money to live, to survive. Okay, all right, quick ways you can make money to survive. Okay, I'll be listing them to you. But know this, my superstars, that at a time like this, what you need is a savings based kind of business. A business where you offer your services in exchange for money. This type of business yields very, very fast. It yields money to take care of your needs immediately. It yields money for you to sort out your problems. And if you are a great saver, you can be able to save and then start your business. If you want to start with that dream business, I know most times we have that dream business idea, but we don't have the capital to fund it. You can start with a service-based kind of business, and then from there grow and then start that dream business. All right, so the number one service-based kind of business you can start is by running errands for people. Okay, I will be starting with what I do. My superstars, I run errands for people in exchange for money. Okay, I help people go to the market and I buy dry fish, crayfish, and send it to their location in exchange for a service charge. Okay, this attracts a service charge. Okay, depending on what you need me to buy for you, the quantity and all that. So I offer my services as errand person. Okay, I run these errands for people in different states in exchange for money. You too can also do this, my superstars. You can help people. If you're in a place where there's afang, lots and lots of afang, you can go to your social media platform and advertise, make a video, create content, show it to people, and from there people will order. You go ahead, buy it, and ship it to people's location. Okay, and send it to people in their different locations. I've seen lots of people who advertise things that are unique to their location. There are people who come from a place where they have lots and lots of different fruits in their season. Okay, I saw someone who advertised pineapple. Okay, in their village, they have lots and lots of pineapple suckers. Okay, people plant lots and lots of pineapple in their village and the harvest was wild. So all she did was make a video and named a price, and lots of people were ordering from Owerri, Port Harcourt, and Calabar. The neighboring states were ordering, and then she will build it to their location. Okay, because the price was good and the quantity was good for the price. So people shared waybill and then they sent it to different locations, different states. People gathered and they sent it to their locations. So you can also do this, my superstars, and then make money. But apart from pineapple, I also saw another person who advertised avocados. Yes, in their local government area, they have lots and lots of avocado trees. And during the avocado season, they had lots and lots of avocados. So she made an advert, and lots of people ordered for avocados from different states, neighboring states. Okay, and she sold some to people in heaps of 20s. Some people ordered 50, some people 100. Lots and lots of people ordered avocados, and she waybilled it to them in their location. So all you need to do is find that foodstuff that is unique to your location, and then make a video. Go to your social media platform, create content, and then make a video, and from there place your price, and before you know it, people will be rushing, my superstars. People have done it for bitter cola, lots and lots of food products. So this is a service-based kind of business you can do. All you do is see your money on the spot without having to go buy products and then keep inventory, probably shop. Okay, so that's number one. Will you be trying it? Before we go to number two, let me know in the comment section. All right, so number two is being a personal shopper. Okay, so being an errand person applies to mostly foodstuffs and the local dirty kind of uh, errands. Okay, but you see, being a personal shopper, it is applied to the baby girl kind of business. You don't like doing the dirty job, you like looking fresh, sparkly, and you love the good life. Okay, you want to look good while making money, then being a personal shopper is your perfect kind of business. Okay, so it's the perfect kind of thing you can do in exchange for money. Okay, so what it involves basically is helping people shop for things. Okay, in we have so many people who are so busy that they can't go to the supermarket. I have so many friends who work in the bank. Okay, and they have this desire. Some of them have desire to change their bed sheets, some to change their blinds, window blind, and all that, but they don't have the time to go shop. That's where you come in. You go meet these people. Okay, I can help you shop for things you need. I'll just send me an exchange for a fee. You attract your service, you add your service charge, and you people are in business. This involves helping people shop for things like bed sheet and all that involves. Some of them could want to change all the bed sheets in their room. So you go to a commercial state like Aba in Abia State. You go there, you see different designs of bed sheets, my superstars. There you see different types of window blind, all at good prices. So you choose it, they sew it there, package it for you. All you need to do is bring it back here and set it up. That is just it. Okay, so we also have, if you are in a very big commercial state like Abia State, Onisha, okay, okay, you can help people shop. If you're in Lagos, you can help people shop. There are people who shop for their shops, okay, who want to buy things for their shops, but they can't travel. So all you do is you go to the market, you make a video, you show it to them, they make their choices, okay, and from there you will bill it, you will bill the product to their location, and then you get your charge. If you're in Lagos, you go to Balogun Market, help people. Those who want to buy bags, you show samples to them, okay? Or those who want to buy hairs, you show samples to them. They make their choice, you pay, and then you will bill it to them in their location. So this is a fantastic way to make money. So if you're in a commercial state where we have big markets, you can be a personal shopper for someone and then get paid, and then you make money. Okay, so I had told you what I do. Mine is in the foodstuffs area, but you can do this in the area of clothing, shoes, hairs, bags, okay, children clothes, different things, and from there you make money. All right, so will you be trying which? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, my superstar. So number three is dry cleaning services. My superstars, if you have friends who are in the banking industry, you will know that they can be very, very tired and very, very busy. I know so many of them who go to work as early as 6 a.m. in my state. And for places like Lagos, they leave around 5 a.m. and come back home around 9 p.m. at night. By the time they get home, they're exhausted. All they do is eat, shower, sleep, and the next morning they are gone. So they don't have time to dry clean their clothes. Some of these people, they have families, so they have children. They can't wash their children's clothes. That's where you come in. Okay, so you can actually help them dry clean by taking their clothes to a dry cleaner and then bringing it back. And if it's children, you can easily wash it, squeeze it, dry it, okay, and make money. You can do this, set out a number of days in a week, okay, and then get paid, my superstars. All you need to do is use your skills to make money. You can do it for two, three families in a day, and by the time you add up, in a month, you have made something wonderful to start that dream business. Okay, my superstar. So this is a fantastic way. You can do it for family, for friends, and from there they'll keep introducing you to more and more people based on how well you do it. Okay, and from there you keep growing. All right, my superstars. Next is running social media page for clients. All right, so if you are tech savvy and you have know your way around social media, then it's a fantastic way to make money. You can actually make money with that phone from the comfort of your home. All you have to do is manage the page, business page of your friends, family, and people you know, and from there you get paid. Okay, my superstar. So I know right now we're in the days where so many businesses want to have social media presence online. They want to advertise their products, they want to sell online. So that's where you come in. If you have knowledge of how to move around and do certain things online, you can talk to your family and friends and get started. You can start with one social media page, grow the social media page, create content that result in sales, and based on your results they would recommend you to other friends and other people, and from there you grow from 1 to 2 to 5 to 10. Okay, and before you know it you'll be like begging, oh please allow me, I beg it's too much. Okay, and all this, or from there you get paid. Okay, so all from the comfort of your home. So this is a fantastic way to make money by offering your service as a social media page manager. Okay, and from there you make money. Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. All right, so next is cleaning services. Cleaning services involves your cleaning the houses of people. Okay, so if you love your environment being clean, you love cleaning, sweeping, dusting, mopping, and all that, that is where you come in. Okay, so you can clean the houses of so many people. There are people who, once they leave by 5 a.m., the next time they come in is by 9, 10 p.m. No time to sweep, clean the house. So that's where you come in. You can help these people clean their houses twice a week or thereabout, and then get paid. Okay, my superstars, I know so many people who started with this cleaning of houses, and before you knew it they grew into a cleaning company where they not just clean houses for people, rooms for people, they clean office spaces, they clean companies, and they get paid in large sum. They started from cleaning one room to two rooms to three rooms, and gradually they kept growing based on recommendations, based on lots and lots of things. So whatever you find yourself doing, my superstars, do it well and do it with your heart, because it is based on your result and the effort you put in. That is what will make people recommend you to other places, and from there you make money, you grow. All right, my superstars. So it's a fantastic way to make money by offering your service as a cleaner. Okay, you clean. Before you know it, you start having staffs and employing them to clean bigger spaces and then make money. Next is cooking services. If you are great at cooking, you love trying different recipes, then my superstars, you can make money. There are people who don't have time to cook, so they rely on people cooking for them in 1 liter, 5 liters, 10 liters, and then they put it in their fridge. Whenever they are hungry, they scoop it out, microwave it, eat it, and they are gone. So if you can cook, it's a great way you can make money. You can cook, and then you can discuss this with your family, friends. From there, they'll recommend you to people. They could have a visitor who comes to their house. Ah, this food is sweet, though. Ah, so nice. And before you know it, they'll like, ah, it's someone who made it for me or made it at so price. Say, okay, give me the number. Before you know it, you have become another person's blog. And before you know it, another person will introduce you to another person. And that's how you keep growing. Okay, my superstar. So don't look down on cooking. If you know how to cook, it's a fantastic way to make money. All right, my superstar. So let me know, will you be trying it? Let me know in the comment section. In the meantime, have you liked this video? Please hit the like button so I'll know you're feeling the gist, okay? And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. All right, my superstars. So last on the list is hair making service. There are people who find it very tiring going to the salon. So if you know how to make hairs, be it braids, different types of braids, you can go into home services for making hairs. My superstars, do you know that the payment for home service is actually different from someone coming to your salon to make hair? Yes, it is very different. So all you have to do is have your kits available, your hand dryer, your combs, your different types of stretcher, different things available in a very nice bag, so that once you get your call, you grab your bag and off you go. Okay, so you can make people hair from the comfort of their home and make good money from it. Yes, they will pay you handsomely for leaving your shop or living wherever to the comfort of their home to make their hair. Okay, so you can braid, you can wash, you can make children's hair from the comfort of their home and make money from it. But in all my superstars, please make sure you carry out good research on your customer. Let it not just be that someone will call you randomly and off you go. Be careful so you don't run into unnecessary traps, okay, and ensure you keep some safety tips before going to do home service. Okay, my superstars. All right. So I've mentioned lots of things you can do to make money, okay, as soon as possible. These tips I have mentioned are ways and avenues you can make money real fast, very fast. Okay, you know, like I said, growing a business takes time, and before a business can pay you it and stay sustainable, it takes time. If you do not allow a business to grow, you put in the profit and grow the business, you realize that you keep going at the same level for a very long time. So doing other services, okay, offering your services in exchange for money is a great way you can build up great startup capital, okay, and then come out from the red alert zone of your bank account, okay, and have lots and lots of money in your bank account that will enable you be at ease while starting a business. All right, so hope you loved it. Let me know in the comment section. And like I said, please hit the like button. That's all I ask of you. Thank you. Thank you for watching my superstars. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.